what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Autumn, and today I'm going to be doing a video on this hair from UNICE hair. And I don't know if you can tell or not, it's looking like a sew-in, but it's actually a V-part. This is actually my first V-part wig, and I've seen a few of them here on YouTube. I decided to go ahead and take the plunge and get one. This video is unsponsored. I did buy this wig myself, so I'm gonna give you guys all the tea on, you know, what I like, what I don't like about V-parts, and if you should go ahead and buy this wig, because that's what everybody wants to know. This wig, this beautiful unit, is from UNICE hair, or UNICE, however you say, I don't know. Everybody on YouTube says it differently and they never correct anybody, so I'm gonna go with UNICE. And this wig is 22 inches. It's pretty long, comes past my boobs all the way past my stomach. So this is a very long wig. It's again 22 inches, but I'm 5'1", like I always tell you guys. So just, you know, keep that in mind. It might not be as long on you if you're taller. This wig is 180% density. It has a very natural density to it. It's not super thick, but it's also not a thin unit at all. It definitely has like a good amount of hair on it to where it looks like a natural looking like sew-in, like maybe a 3-bundle sew-in, which is what I like. I like a glamour like 7-8 bundles type of look, but that's not what you want to go for every day, and I feel like the V-part wigs are more so an everyday wig, so just keep that in mind. I did go ahead and go through and layer the front part of this wig, and I might do some more just because I kind of want the bangs to like swoop to that side, and even though I'm curling it like that, it's still not giving me that, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna insert in the clips of me installing this wig for the first time. The cap construction on this wig, it has 4 clips, so 2 on this side and then 2 on this side for you to hook into your anchor braids, or if you decide to just put your hair in a bun under this wig, you can just clip those down into your hair for your bun, whatever it works best for you, and it'll be super secure. It also has 3 combs, so there's a comb on the left side, comb on the right side, and a comb in the back, along with adjustable straps. So this wig is extremely secure. It's not going anywhere as long as you install it correctly. I did go ahead and braid my hair under this unit, and I'm glad that I did because it's laying really flat. And it also like gave a secure foundation for me to put the clips into. But like I said, if you know you want to do a lazy girl install, there's nothing wrong with you doing a bun underneath these units. Let's get into shedding. So like I said, I did cut layers into this wig, or lightly layered it, and I haven't really had any shedding at all, just besides, you know, the few strands here and there when I'm brushing it, but nothing outrageous or anything to be concerned about. It doesn't tangle near the nape, and the hair itself feels really good and soft. It had no smell when it came, and I was so glad for that because like I said, this was my first time ordering from UNICE and I didn't really know what to expect. You know, the reviews are kind of like hit or miss, but this was definitely a hit for me. As far as like luster or shine, I did use the Chi serum because I needed to straighten my leave out. So like the great thing about V-part wigs is that you can wear these wigs without leave out, but I don't really like how that looks, so I just took like a 1/2 inch of my hair, blow dried it, straightened it, and curled it. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know if you guys can see. That's how much leave out I have. That's nothing. That's nothing. You know what I'm saying? And then you take a look right there, then my hair is covering these clips. Isn't that so cool? I love it. It's a super easy install, and I do have some clips of my first install with this wig, so I'll make sure to put them in this video so you guys can see how simple it is. But it took me like 5 to 7 minutes to get the wig on. So anyway, back to the shine, the luster of the hair. It has a very natural luster. The ends look good. They are curled. This wig, I got the body wave one. I know they have like a straight one and then they have a curly one. I love this wig. I think it looks super natural. It has a really nice density, nothing overwhelming. The shine is there. I put some hairspray in this too after I curled it, and the curls have been staying literally for days. I also put flexi rods in my leave out, so I really haven't been having to do that much with that either. But like I said, I do have natural hair, so you know, it does get a little frizzy from time to time, but I just, you know, recurl it on low heat and pray to Jesus. That's it. In the box with the wig, and I did want to touch on this because I thought it was really cool, they give like these duckbill clips. Let me grab the box for y'all. So this is the box that it came in. They gave me a scarf. Isn't that so cute? And like I said, I bought this wig myself, so this isn't like an influencer package. Like, if you buy this wig, you will get this stuff too. These cute little eyelashes, so cute. It came with 2 wig caps too, I believe. And then these pink clips, you know, with the duckbill sides or the duckbill backs, whatever. But these are so cute and girly. Really, I was super pleasantly surprised with this hair. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link to it down below. And like I said, I think I'm gonna put the clips in here also of like when I was installing it and taking it out the bag. That way you guys can see what that looks like. But that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.